Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials: device OS, Microsoft account, and a platform authenticator like Windows Hello or a security key. Once done, enable Windows Hello or your biometric method because passkeys rely on a secure device factor. This replaces passwords. Next, sign in to account. Microsoft. Open security, then advanced security options. Make sure to select Add a Passkey. You're starting authentication setup. Now follow prompts and keep your phone or key nearby for verification. You'll now create and register the passkey with Microsoft. Select Add a Passkey and choose Device or External Key. Choosing device stores a credential tied to hardware. Then verify with PIN, fingerprint, face, or touch on the key. This proves possession and unlocks the private key for registration. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name so you can spot it later, and allow synchronization if you want use across your Microsoft-linked devices. This saves repetition and avoids lockouts. Finish by testing sign-in on account. Microsoft. Or an app that supports passkeys, you should get a biometric or PIN prompt instead of a password. If the passkey fails to sync, register a backup security key or export a recovery credential so you won't lose access. For troubleshooting, update your OS and device drivers, reinstall the authenticator or security key firmware, and use your recovery code if needed. This resolves most issues and prevents permanent lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.